What's up, everybody? It's Asian Eric, guys, for today. And I was at work, chilling, minding my business, and I figured I look at my phone real quick, and I type in shoptravisout.com, and I see the site's updated. So I'm thinking, woo, we getting this drop right now. Not the drop, but we getting the raffle right now, right? And I'm all excited, I'm feeling so happy inside. I'm like, yo, I got a shot, a 1 in 1 millionth shot to win these again and go 5 for 5 on Travis Scott shoes. Then, you go to the site where you got to enter in the password. Not the password, you enter in your email, and then you wait for the update to come. And then finally, the site updates me. I think it was about 30-some minutes, I checked. And all I see some more Murakami clothes. And I'm like, man, nothing against the guy and everything. I mean, I love his design stuff. I got it on my phone case, but man, dude, I'm just thinking about the one thing: to hopefully win the lottery and to win these Jordan 1 Low fragments. And the guys, as I say this to you guys, I'm probably one of the persons in America for sure that loves Jordan 1 Lows a lot. I'm not a highs guys, to be honest with you. I only own one pair of highs. And that's the Union ones. Other than that, I do not buy highs. And if I ever won in a raffle, the ones that really go for a lot of money, I would just resell them, to be honest with you. I do not wear highs. I don't like them. I mean, nothing wrong with them. If you're a fan of wearing Jordan 1 highs, enjoy them. They're not for me. I like the lows. Definitely when I go out, I love wearing lows. With the laces out, you know what I mean? Not tied up, the laces out, so I like to wear it. But anyways, guys. So I know, when I'm thinking about this, right, in my head, how many pairs of sneakers do they really got, guys? And my gut feeling tells me, and I'm just taking a guess, there's less than what they say they have. And I can tell you this is going to be one of the hardest shoes to cop. And if you do win it in a raffle, you are one of the most luckiest SOB ever if you actually hit on this shoe and you get this one. Now, what I feel bad for is people that will really want the shoe bad, and they won't win in the raffle. And what they will do is they'll pay the resale value for it, which is in the thousands. Could it go up to Tom Sachs level? I don't think it'll go to Tom Sachs level, to be honest with you. I don't think it'll be that level. But it might actually go. No, maybe let me take that back. Actually, it could be more than Tom Sachs level, because Tom Sachs level for like 11.5 was about like $1,500. So this could go even higher. Actually, this could be maybe it can go to. I mean, it was pretty high before it was put on the website, Travis Scott website, right? When it was on Go, StockX, Flight Club, it was already in I think 1,800, 2,000 at one time. Now it's lowering down, obviously, but so it could be. I could be wrong. So yeah, but I honestly think there's gonna be less than what they say, and I think people are gonna be disappointed not get the shoe. But guys, at least if you don't win the shoe Saturday, at least you might be able to get a pair of Jordan 1 Low Chicago's, which I'm excited about. I hope I at least get 2 pairs. I hit on 2 of the raffles and I get 2 pairs for my collection. But maybe you can get one of those. So at the end of the day, I'm probably going to be asked out too. I'm not. Could I pay the resale value to get the shoes? Yeah, if I wanted to. But will I? No. I'm not. Because they're not my favorite. Like, honestly, guys, the majority of Travis Scotts I got, I'll be really honest with you guys. I don't even wear them, dude. They're in the box. Like the Canary ones, they're all in the box. I never wore them. They just stay in my box. I don't know. I just don't wear them. And yeah. So I don't know. Like I just don't wear them. Like I just collect them. Like so some shoes. Like I have this Pharrell jellyfish. I'm probably never gonna wear them. Just gotta collect them, put it in the box. That's it. And my collection. And one day maybe I'll show you guys my collection of sneakers. I have a lot of good sneakers. I'm pretty grateful for the sneakers that I do own and was able to hit on raffles or just be able to get because I could afford the luxury of getting them. So, yeah. But at the end of the day, this is crazy, like what's going on, man. I feel like it's like you're so excited, even though you're probably not even going to win the raffle. But you're getting so excited to get the chance of just entering in. And hopefully, you get that email to tell you can cash out. But if you don't do it in time, as soon as they send it to you, you're ass out of luck. Somebody else will get it. and when you click the cash out because you waited more than 30 minutes, and they send you the email, you're out of luck. And I can tell you this right now, you better not wait 30 minutes, guys. You better watch your emails. As soon as you see that, you better cash out quick as you can, dude. Right there, in that shop account, quick. Which I always do when I order on Sneaker Politics or anywhere else when I really need to get the shoe. So, at the end of the day, I do think it's a great shoe. I think it looks good, and stuff like that. It's a great shoe. But is it something that if I don't win, will I be a little bit upset? Nah, honestly, not really. I mean, if I win, I win. I win, I don't. That's all I've always been on sneakers. But I was kind of irritated today. I didn't win the Joe Fresh Goods. I ain't gonna lie. I like those shoes. I didn't win no raffles today, guys. And I tried to get on BSTN. This is Germany site. They let you order from America too, but you just pay extra shipping. They didn't win. I know there's bots like a mother effer on that one. So I'm out of luck. So that one, I might pay resell to get it. Because I'm a fan of Joe Fresh Goods shoes. And I like New Balance, and I like those kind of shoes that he came out with, a new creation came out with. I think the last ones, the pink ones, were pretty good too that he came out with. And I won those in a raffle, but these the black and the I think it's like a white tannish color. The ones that came out today on this raffle, I didn't win, and I was kind of bummed. So I was kind of bummed my day out a little bit. But well, guys. Anyways, guys, comment, subscribe, and like this video, guys, and let me know what you think. Do you think this is gonna be BS? You know you're not gonna win. Do you think there'll be less pairs than what they say, or do you think they're just doing this because they have to? And do you think Saturday is gonna be worth your time to be here, to go for it at noon, hoping that you win the lottery like the Powerball? But this is Asian Eric. I'm signing off, and have yourself a great evening. Yep.